Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create consistent characters using 3 AI tools: OpenArt, Leonardo.Ai, and Dzine.Ai. Ideal for creators who want the same look in every scene. Let's begin. Let's start with the very first step, getting our character description. For this, I'm using ChatGPT. Just give it a prompt describing the kind of character you want, along with different scenes or moods. ChatGPT will then provide creative and consistent character descriptions across those scenes. This helps you visualize your character's look and personality clearly before moving to the design stage. You can choose the version that fits your vision best, or mix and match the traits as per your creative idea. Once that's ready, we move on to the AI design tools to bring it to life. Now let's move on to OpenArt, a powerful AI tool for generating stunning character visuals. Start by entering your character description in the prompt section. Be as specific as you can about appearance, outfit, and scene. The more details, the better the output. Once you hit Generate, OpenArt will give you 2 image variations. Take a moment to review both options and pick the one that best fits your creative vision. Here's the important part. Copy the image seed from the version you choose. This seed holds the visual data that helps you maintain consistency in future designs. Now go to Advanced Settings, paste the image seed, and generate your next image. You'll see how your character keeps the same look and style across different scenes. It's that simple and super helpful for animation and storytelling projects. Let's move to Leonardo.Ai, another amazing tool for character creation. First, copy the character prompt you got from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt section. Make sure to select the Phoenix style for a clean and artistic look. Then hit Generate. Once your images are ready, click the 3 dots on the top corner of the image you like and select Copy Seed. This is important for keeping your character consistent. Now go to Advanced Settings, paste the seed there, and enter your next prompt for a different scene. When you generate the new image, you'll notice your character stays consistent across both designs. And once you're happy with the result, just hit Download to save your artwork. It's that easy and super effective. let's head over to our final tool, Dzine.Ai. Click on Consistent Character, then click Character again. Under the three sections, go to Character Sheet. In the Model section, select PixiePop 3D, set your desired aspect ratio, then paste your prompt into the box and hit Generate. You'll get 2 image variations. Review them and move on to your next scene by entering a new prompt. Your character will remain consistent across scenes. Finally, download the one that best fits your creative vision. And your consistent character is ready. Same look, different scenes, all done with AI tools.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.